Hey guys, welcome back. Have you ever seen a woman and she's locked eyes with you not once, not twice, but several times? Maybe at the gym or at that group gathering or perhaps at your workplace. You're sure she's interested, but how do you go from exchanging glances to meaningful conversation and building a romantic connection? I'm Adam Lane Smith, your personal wingman, and I'm here to guide you. Believe me, I've been in your shoes before I learned the ropes and ended up marrying the love of my life. So today, we're going to dissect the art of cold approaching. We'll discover how you can escalate casual interactions and romantic opportunities. So buckle up, this one's going to be a deep dive. And before we get rolling, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an opportunity to improve your relationship game. All right, let's dive in. Before we get into how to engage her, it's crucial to know when she's even open to conversation. The first part is recognizing her signals. You see, when a woman's interested, she'll provide verbal and nonverbal cues, both. One of the most important signs is frequency of interaction. Does she find reasons to talk to you? Maybe she asks about the book you're reading at the cafe, or she seeks your help with gym equipment. If she goes out of her way to interact, even if it's just about the weather or a shared interest, she's likely open to a deeper conversation with you. Another sign is the content of her conversation. Compliments are a big one. Hey, I've noticed your form is perfect when you're doing those squats. Or, you seem to know a lot about vintage cars. Compliments are an easy way for her to initiate a conversation, and they indicate that she's observing you. Guys, pay close attention to her body language. Picture this, you're at the gym doing your thing, and there's a woman who keeps looking your way. Could be something, could be nothing, right? Does she maintain eye contact? Is her body oriented towards you during conversations? Is she mimicking your body language, a process known as mirroring? All of these are signs that she's interested in engaging with you. But remember, these signs are not bulletproof. They're clues, not guarantees. Always consider the overall context, and I'm going to add some more signs here that are going to make it even easier. Next, we have consistency. An accidental bump in the cafeteria once is just that, an accident. But if she's finding reasons to be around you consistently, or if she's always part of your gym schedule, it's likely a sign she wants to engage with you. Guys, let's say she consistently finds ways to be around you, or she's always on the same gym schedule as you do. Do you think this is a coincidence, or is she interested in you? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'm eager to see what you think. And ladies, and I know you're watching this, do the guys a favor and drop into the comments to let me know if this is right or wrong so far. Give us some data to work with. Now that we've identified the signs, how do we get the conversation rolling? First off, don't overthink it. Start with simple, open-ended questions that share experiences or interests. If you're at the gym, ask her about her workout routine, how long she's been training, or what her fitness goals are. If she's reading a book, ask her about the book or the author. These are easy conversation starters that also show you're paying attention to her. I remember when I first met my wife. We had mutual friends, and I asked her to tell me how they met and what their friendship had been like. Boom, we started talking, and the rest is history. Now remember guys, the goal is to get her talking and keep the conversation flowing. Be genuinely interested in what she has to say. Reflect back on what you've heard and ask follow-up questions. Show her you're not just hearing her words, but actually listening. Women appreciate really good listeners. Now, if things are going really smoothly, you might want to shift the conversation to more personal territory. This shows your interest in getting to know her as an individual. Share something about your own life. Ask her about her experiences and aspirations. Gradually, the conversation becomes more intimate and less about the gym or work. Now, the key here is timing. Don't rush things. Read her responses. If she's sharing and asking questions about you, it's a great sign. It's like dancing. You take one step forward, she reciprocates, and you continue. Now, closing the deal. When you sense the time is right, it's crucial to express your interest and ask for her contact information. A lot of guys miss this. They fail at this point. You could say something like, hey, I've really enjoyed talking with you. Could we continue this? Can I get your number or your Instagram? If she's been responding positively throughout your conversation, chances are she's going to say yes. Now, yes, rejection is always a possibility. But remember, it's not a reflection on your worth. It's part of the process. It can sting, I know, but don't let it discourage you. You're brave for taking the initiative, and that's what counts. Now, helping guys get over this fear of rejection is why I wrote my book, 5 Steps to Overcome Your Fear of Rejection. It's a must-read for anyone who's afraid to take that first step or who's been stung by rejection before. There's a link down in the description below. Check it out, and remember, fear of rejection should never hold you back. So guys, there you have it. The signs that she's open to conversation, how to start and escalate the conversation, and finally, how to take things forward. Remember, it's a dance, not a race. It's about making a connection, not winning a prize. Respect her boundaries, and most importantly, respect yourself. You've got this. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, share it with your buddies, and make sure you're subscribed. And don't forget to comment below your own experiences or challenges when trying to strike up a conversation. Your insights are super valuable for everyone in here, and I'm looking forward to reading them. And until next time, keep being awesome. I'll catch you in the next one.